So I just need to be known that this dog is crazy. This is my pillow there, and she has just taken over, and she's adorable. I don't know, like, I can't deny that she's not cute, but she's just snoring away. With her lips going. She's dreaming about something. I don't know what she's dreaming about, but she's too funny. God, I love her. She's a good dog, though. Really good dog. Oh. Man. I don't know what I'd do without her. She's my cuddle puppy. Now that the weather's getting cold, gotta stay warm. Alright. You're probably sick of staring at the dog. So, alright. Just want to show you my dog. How cute she is. She's sleeping. Being random. So, alright. Bye, guys.